This is our bluff project. That's what we're calling it. Things went kind of as planned, kind of not as planned, kind of how it always goes around here. So you can kind of see the contours here. It's still very messy. We haven't cleaned it up. There's no plants, there's no mulch, no anything. So we have these big rocks, and the logs in here is kind of holding back the dirt. And then there's more rocks tucked in here. The idea is kind of like a hillside where the rocks have tumbled off and it looks very natural. We have somewhere else where we had these rocks, and that's kind of the look we were going for. We weren't planning on stairs, but we had to dig down so far. This right here, where I'm walking, this is gonna be some steps. We're gonna have some big steps. We haven't figured out what kind yet. And we're gonna have what we're gonna be working on today is a little rock retaining wall here to kind of hold back this dirt. And then there'll be a little rock retaining wall here to hold back this dirt. So if you can see the bluff right here, we do have to hand scrape this. It's gonna take a lot of work, and then I'm hoping that we are able to use a power washer, or my husband is hoping to use a power washer, so that we can expose this bluff. We have found some pretty cool crevices. There's one over here that I'm excited about. There's a crevice that we're gonna put some nice dirt in here. Hopefully we can plant something. When he dug his bucket in here, it went down pretty far. So maybe a tree, maybe a red bud, something that grows in the cracks and crevices fairly naturally. It's not gonna be one flat continuous bluff, which when you're working with natural things, it's never going to be perfect, and that's okay. That's what we like. So each of these planting pockets back here, I've been doing a lot of research on what we're gonna plant in there, things that are naturally growing in there. Missouri primrose is one of them. Purple poppy mallow is another one that we're gonna plant in these crevices, some sedums, just all kinds of really fun things that grow. We do have a big tree that's gonna go right up there. But that's kind of where we're at for today. We're gonna work on cleaning it up, raking our yard, because right now we're growing rocks. That's about all we're growing. This project is going to be ongoing. I don't expect it to be done in a weekend. This is not HGTV. It's going to be a big dirt hole for a while. Our kids and Penny will love playing in it. Oh my God, there's a
silverfish. It's okay. It is.
I'm not sure this helped us.
Oh, no. Hold on.
It's coming out.
All right.
Let me help.
I got it.
This side. My father-in-law just informed us this is limestone, a little mix, so the bluff might be some sandstone, but these bigger rocks are more limestone.
Regardless what it is, it's heavy.
Okay, there's more down there for us.
Good.
It's nice to use this real rocky stuff as backfill, because
You say you can?
yeah, it drains. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I thought you were going to use this good stuff over here.
No, I'm using the rocky stuff on stuff I'm not going to plant in. Like if I can.
I know. Pet use tonight. We think we can play, huh? Off. Off. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Is there more in here? Right here? Yeah. I didn't know if you hit the shovel on purpose or an accident. Hey, hey, come on, come here.
Hey, that's not where that's going. Can you put that one right here?
The flat one I just did?
No, that one that's on top.
That?
Yeah, but hang on.
All right, one more row. too.
Like a puzzle, putting it all together. I think that will go. We're kind of stair stepping these rocks here, backfilling as we go, puzzle piecing them together. Was it?
No.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's a lawnmower. Oh. I mean, that one needs a little bit. I mean, and this is the steps, so I can't really finish that right now because the
We can
steps.
figure the steps out.
Well, we can, but let's do this. And then,
Okay. Taken somewhere else to hit. Hey, you were about to hit again. Take it away from other people.
You have a big yard, man. Big old hit down there. Good. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Throw it up higher. Give me more stuff, more time. No, throw it up higher, bud. Throw it up higher. There you go. There you go.
I want some peanuts.
Perched pretty good.
I want some
Perched up?
peanuts.
Yeah.
So it's
Is
gonna
that
roll
too
back.
big?
I want some peanuts.
You need a peanut?
No, who wants them?
I'll take some. Peanut. Those are cashews. Peanut.
Are those going to be your steps?
Yep.
Yep.
Yay.
Right, more.
Are you guys going to keep moving more? Are you guys going to keep moving some?
What do you think, Coda? That feels good.
Can I try test it out? Can I test it out? Guys, can I test it out?
Not yet. It's wobbly. You need to dig it out here for sure.
Please.
Not yet. I gotta work on it.
Oh.
Move, girl.
Let's try this one.
Penny, come, sit. Penny, sit.
Holy moly.
Okay.
We gotta be done for now. This isn't working.
Getting hot.
Yeah, I'm getting hot. I'm getting mad.
Yeah, we don't want that point like that.
I know that. Stop. I'm not having any more conversations until we cool off.
That's on my hand. Rock about.
It's alright.
Ooh, I am sunburned to my arms.
Yes, you are. Did you put sunscreen on?
Arms I did.
Not these rocks yet, bud. We're working on them. You can come over here and get these kind
Okay, now what?
of, this one.
Did you fix that one for me?
Yes, this one.
Dad,
Yes, bud.
are you hot?
I'm okay right now. Thank you, though. Working projects like this really makes your marriage thin sometimes. So make sure you eat, stay out of the heat. When you get mad, just go eat and then come back.
Should we flip it over? Jagged to walk on, I gotta say.
I wear shoes and I'm outside.
I don't.
So it's a decision you have to make. It's perfect. Wow, that's nice.
We'll need another one there, and then we need to get another one.
After the sun gets up all the puddles, like after all the water, the dirt water, it gets like absorbed, comes in the gas, it'll look like brand new. Try not to get dirt on it. Hey Dad, you're doing great.
Thanks, buddy.
Never mind.
What I say about testing marriages? Have our patience. We love everyone.
Is that cold?
Very much so.
Yeah, I'm still soaked with it.
This one.
Solid block right there?
I don't know.
Can I feel it?
You. Something pretty awesome about all these rocks were found by us digging the bluff. So we actually bought 0 of these rocks. So that's pretty awesome. What we're doing now is picking up rocks. So we completely underestimated, I don't know how, but we underestimated the amount of rocks that would ironically come from digging out the bluff. So we have rocks everywhere. So I'm going to transition from this rock wall right here, which is our retaining wall, and I'm going to go this way with it. We're trying to keep the water off the back of the other retaining wall going down to our kids' trampoline. And I'm going to show you what kind of tool I'm using for that. Brand new to us as of yesterday. I did not know this thing existed, but I'm very excited about it. It's worked tremendous already. This is the landscape rake. You got open ends here that helps break up, and you got little rocks. You can see I already bent a little bit. Maybe it was bought that way because I don't feel like I bent it that hard already. But anyway, all the little rocks will go through these fins, and then when you want to get it real level, use this flat side, just like so. And you're gonna watch me go ahead and do that for a little bit. And it would help if I needed to. If this is real hard dirt, probably wet it just a little bit. I mean, you don't want to soak it because spraying mud isn't going to help anything. But if it was really dry, it probably would help to wet the soil. Considering we just did this yesterday, it's not worth my time to do that. Word of the wise: if you know a gardener, or you're married to a gardener, if they're stringing out hoses, it's not always just to empty them. It's usually because you got work ahead of you and you have a new flower bed or a walking path. So don't think they're just draining the hose, because they got a different agenda. Now, I will say though, I am a very visual person, so it does help me understand what my wife is seeing. Doesn't mean I enjoy knowing I got more work coming. I can say this because she's listening.
I didn't hear you smack talking. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.